Hello everybody, my name is Stuart Jones. I'm in my kitchen in London in the UK, and for assignment 4 I'm going to be demonstrating how to use a specific compression plugin including threshold, ratio, attack and release, and I'm going to be using Reaper and specifically the plugin Recomp. So let's go. The Recomp compression plugin for Reaper is a dynamic processor that reduces the dynamic range of a recording, attenuating the loud bits and amplifying the quiet bits. It has 4 key parameters. Threshold. This is the volume of the signal at which the compressor kicks in. Below this threshold, nothing happens. It always needs to be set because it depends on the underlying musical material. The second parameter is ratio. Here we got it set to 10:1. The ratio is the amount by which the signal will be reduced above the threshold. So 10:1 means for every 10 decibels over the threshold, the compressed sound will increase by just 1 decibel. Then we have attack and release. These are both related to how fast the volume fader moves when a transient happens. The lower the value, the faster the fader moves. Attack is at the start of the transient and release is at the end. As you can see, there are various other options. The only one I'll be using in this demo is the auto makeup. What this does is it boosts the output gain to make up for the reduction in input gain that the compressor does. So let's see an example. Okay, I have 3 vocal tracks that comprise a harmony. Sounds like this. Now I'm no singer, and so the volume throughout each performance varies a lot. So let's use compression to tweak it. First of all, we'll isolate a track and work on that. If we click the FX button here, we are then able to add plugins. So let's choose the Recomp compression plugin. Here's the interface we saw earlier. So let's set the threshold to -12 decibels. And let's set the ratio to 10:1, which is a bit extreme, but this is just an example. And we'll keep attack and release at the defaults. Now if we try this, we should see on this chart where the compressor is kicking in. So let's try it out. So you can see where it's kicking in and balancing out. So that sounded much more consistent throughout the duration of the clip. And now, for simplicity, I've added the same compression to the other 2 vocals tracks. So let's hear them together. Much fuller and much better sounding harmony. Now, so what I can do is render these 3 tracks so that we can see the comparative waveforms. So with them selected, I do track, render freeze tracks, and then render to monostem tracks. There's a bit of processing. Maybe just shuffle them around a bit. So we have the new tracks here, 1, 2, and 3. And you can see that the waveforms are much more consistent volume-wise across their duration in comparison with the originals down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing your comments. See you later.